Good morning. We are heading into Magic Kingdom. Now, the last time you saw us, we were at Space 220. It's been a day and a half and I was just burnt out, white. So that evening we went to Disney Springs and had some fun down there. And then yesterday we were visiting some friends in the Florida area. But today we are back. It's our last full day in the parks. We fly tomorrow. And of course we're at Magic Kingdom. And this is Magic Kingdom this morning. Here go the crowds again.
Ready? It turned green before I even put my finger.
This is day 9. Well, 9th day. We took a break, but going to be battling people again today. What can you do? Everyone wants to explore the magic. Okay, using a top tip right now. Main Street is just out there, lots and lots of people. I am walking through the stores up the side of Main Street and avoiding that. So, oh, cute dress. Cute Star Wars dress. Okay, we're gonna keep going. Ooh, bags. Bags, bags, bags. Cuteness. Okay, so we get to here. We have to step out again, but that's okay. Oh my God, look at it. Crazy. Well, it cut out a chunk. That's for sure. Oh, this thing, every visit. Look at this. Now, a few years ago it was at $33,000. I can't imagine what it is now. Isn't it beautiful? So we're heading this way this morning. There's a ride we haven't been on yet. It's not one of the biggest rides, but I just don't want to miss it out, and that's Voyage of the Little Mermaid. I think that's, or is it Ariel Under the Sea? Voyage of the Little Mermaid. It has a very long name. Across there, there's the castle. Across there is the wishing well. So if you ever want to go make a wish in the Magic Kingdom, if it's not magical enough, that's where you can go. So there's the castle where you can get up to the wishing well. This, hopefully one day she'll be back. This is Merida's spot. She still hasn't come back to meet and greet, sadly, but I hope she's back really soon. This is 9:30 in the morning. Mine train line all the way round. Winnie the Pooh at 35 minutes. It's all a little bit nuts. Have we read any good books? We have been reading, and Lexi's been reading a lot more.
I'm always looking for new books, you know.
What's your favorite book right now, Belle?
I always love to read The Sleeping Beauty.
Okay.
It's a classic, isn't it?
It is, it is.
Now hopefully we can find a new one to read with Beast. He likes mystery books.
Oh, that sounds fun.
If you come across any, let me know.
Okay, so we're heading into Voyage of the Little Mermaid, or whatever it's called, and Lexi says she knows where there's a hidden Mickey, so she's gonna show us. This is such a great line, actually. There is Eric's castle. This is a fun line to be in.
Some of these items, they bring back the most beautiful memories, like a small blue egg in a white loaf. My story's not near as interesting as Ariel's.
But Daddy, I'm 43, I'm not a child. Actually, I'm the biggest 43-year-old child going. Sorry, Triton. Okay, so Little Mermaid was super cute. It said 5-minute wait. It probably was that. And now we're heading to Gaston's for a breakfast treat that is as big as my head. You'll see. You'll see. But we're going inside Gastons Tavern. There he is. No one flexes like Gaston in the Magic Kingdom. So this is the cinnamon roll from Gaston's Tavern. I don't know how to kind of describe the size. This is a LeFou's brew. This is a frozen apple juice slushy. But this is breakfast. All right, so I'm just walking with my LeFou's brew. We have a lightning lane. There she is. We have a lightning lane for Haunted Mansion. And we have a paid one for Space Mountain. And then we're going to do something else. So Lexi and I had an incident a few years ago where we were on Small World and
We got in a boat.
we got stuck. We were stuck on Small World for 25 minutes and we haven't been on it since. And Lexi's decided today's the day to break the curse.
Because Diana wants me to do it.
So we're going to break
The curse.
the Small World curse.
This is gonna break my ears.
Anyway, so we're just taking a stroll over to Haunted Mansion right now. We'll do that first. Okay, lightning lane entrance for Haunted Mansion, which is currently at a 60-minute wait at 25 past 10. The line for Haunted Mansion now extends all the way around the boat dock. Wow.
Call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table. It's time to respond.
So we're just in the Christmas shop in Liberty Square, and did you know that all year round you can send a letter to Santa? They've got crayons here for you to write your message. How sweet is this child's wish? They would like to come back to Disney for Christmas. But you can post your letter right there. And of course, it's Christmas year round at Disney. The Christmas shop is permanent and here all the time. Pin trading is still alive and well, and this is the pin board in the Christmas shop. Lexi has been collecting these new Epcot symbols, and there's one that she didn't have, so this has worked out great.
Wait, there's a Figment one.
There is. It's so great to see the band back on the castle stage. Look at this. So we're in St. Mickey's. This used to be where you got pictures from Bibbidi Bobbidi, but in the meantime, St. Mickey's is your princess shop. I love that they have Raya in here as well. Cinderella. Let's have a look at this dress. Look at the detail. You'll find every princess costume you could need. Okay, so Lexi's doing a mystery pin trade. You pick a number from the box and you don't know what you're going to get. Oh, so Lexi just got this one, 24. What other one are you going for?
10.
and 10. There you go.
I like both.
Lexi wanting to have a go at pulling the sword out. Can you do it? Give it a good pull. Hi everybody. So we are just using our lightning lane for Small World. The park, Lexi says nightmare. The park is crowd hell. This is going to be the last thing we do today, and then head back to the hotel for a swim. And for me, a frosé, and Lexi will find something to drink.
Slide time.
Slide time at the pool. I've lost count how many times I've been in Magic Kingdom, and I'm walking out because we done half a day, and I burst into tears. I'm like, I'm going to be back here in 2 months. What is this place? What is this crazy magic? Well, hello my friends. I am by the pool at Port Orleans. Last full day, as I said. We have had a whole afternoon of splash time and chilling, and very exciting night tonight. We're going to be doing this horse-drawn carriage here at Port Orleans. I've always wanted to do it. It's booked. Meg is coming to do it with us. She was in my vlogs earlier on in the trip, and it's going to be such a relaxing way. Normally, on my last night, I would be racing to go see a fireworks show again, something I've missed. Not this time. Not this time. I'm going to go home feeling chill. She says. We still have a morning. Anyway, I'm going to do my best. Suitcases will need rearranging to accommodate those little things we have bought, although there isn't much. I've been gifted things by friends, which has been lovely. So that's us. This is our afternoon. Time to go and get ready. I've got to get Lexi out of the pool. She's not going to be happy. Okay, so I am so excited for this. I am currently sitting in a carriage, a horse-drawn carriage at Port Orleans Riverside, and we just started moving, and it's so pretty. French Quarter now, which is really special. It doesn't just go along the river, it goes right between the buildings. So we've done a circuit of both resorts, and I showed you some of it, but we are now coming, oh, bright lights, we're now coming back into Riverside and ready for the next people. But our night is not over, not yet. Right, so this was Cal. Cal was fantastic at pulling us. You're having a well-deserved rest now, aren't you, baby? And this was the carriage, and you can do this over at Riverside. What a treat for our last night. Oh, that was so fun, so sweet. We're gonna get some food now from the food court here, get something for dinner and take it over to, I'll show you where. Now, hang on 1 second. So Meg is with us.
Yes, Claire invited me to come do the carriage, which absolutely made my night. I said I had done this when I stayed here in kindergarten. And it just it was one of those core memories, like we were talking about core memories.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's how this was for me. So getting to do it again was amazing.
And I will put in a couple of photos so you can see, but we just had a wonderful, wonderful night. So we found the movie at Riverside. I was expecting a lawn, but we're actually by the pool near Oak Manors. And it's Princess and the Frog, so I've got to be careful of copyright. What's happening right now is my friend Jackie is here as well, who I probably haven't put in the vlog, but I will. And her girls are here, Lexi is here, and Meg, and they've been building a fort. And that, my friends, is going to do it for the February trip. That last morning, we didn't go back into a park. We went down to Disney Springs. We went to Splitsville, the kids did bowling, we had food, and that was about it. And you know something? It was the perfect way to end that trip. It was fantastic. You have to excuse me. I'm currently in Port Orleans Riverside in a princess room. So that trip will be to come, and I'm headed off on a cruise tomorrow. So there's so much more to come. The next set of vlogs you're going to see is actually from my trip to Disneyland Paris for the 30th anniversary. So hold on for those. My apologies if I don't get a vlog up for the next few days. I'm going to be out at sea and a little bit playing catch up with my editing now, but hold tight. And I am thrilled to say that as of tonight, we are at 395 subscribers. And on this trip, I celebrated 300, if you recall, a couple of vlogs back. So it's happening. Can you believe this? We're still teeny tiny, but we are growing. Thank you for all the support, the love, the comments. I try and get to all of them. And I will see you really, really soon. Much love from me here at Claire Freedomstein, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Bye. Close.